Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn how to add new task from Google Tasks to Google Sheets automatically. So basically, Google Task is a task management software and Google Sheet is a spreadsheet program where we can create and share the spreadsheets. In my use case, whenever a new task is added in Google Task, it should automatically get updated on my Google Sheets. But here, the problem is that there is no direct connection between Google Task and Google Sheets. So how the data will be transferred between these two software applications? For this, we are going to use a third-party software that is Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Google Tasks with Google Sheets automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can do this in few simple steps. So now let us check this in the real time. So this is my Google Sheet, vendors data, and this is my Google task list, that is vendors. So I want that whenever I create a new task in this vendor task list, it should automatically get updated in my Google Sheet. So let us create a new task. I'll click on add a task and I'm giving the title as vendor details. I'm giving the description details as enter the details of the vendors, and I'm giving the date and time as say 10th of August, and let's click on OK. So I have created a task here. Now let's see whether this task has been updated in my Google Sheet or not. Let us refresh this Google Sheet. So now here we can see the details that we have filled in our Google task, the vendor details. It's been fetched in our Google Sheet automatically. So you might be wondering, how did I manage to add the details of my Google task into my Google Sheets, that too automatically? So let me tell you that I have done this in just 3 simple steps and anyone can do this. So let us move on to our steps. In step 1, connect Pabbly Connect with Google Task. So in step 1, we are going to create an integration with Pabbly Connect and Google Task. Now at step 2, collect the data from Google Task in Pabbly Connect. So basically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the data from Google Task. And in step 3, send the same data to Google Sheets from Pabbly Connect. So the data which Pabbly Connect has captured from Google Task, the same data will be sent to the Google Sheets. So basically we have created an integration between Google Task and Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Connect. So now let us learn the steps. Let us learn how to create the integration. For this, let us write Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. Now here we have to go on products and click on connect. Here, as you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I am just clicking on sign in option. Here we have to scroll down to connect and then click on access now. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to click on this plus sign, create workflow. I am giving the workflow name as Google Task to Google Sheets. Google Sheets. You can give the task workflow name as per your requirement. And let's click on create. Here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So you might be thinking, what is trigger window and what is action window? So here I must tell you that Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. So trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this case, whenever a new task is added in Google Task, it should get updated in the Google Sheet. So in the trigger, we have to select Google Task. Let us click on trigger column, trigger window and select Google Task. Okay. Now it is asking for a trigger event. Let us click on this. Now in this case, I am selecting the trigger event as a new task. And let's click on connect. Here I am going to click on add new connection and connect with Google Task. Now here it is asking to choose an account. We are going to choose the account in which we want the data to be captured. That is my personal account. So I am selecting this account because my Google tasks are created in this account. Here is asking for some access. I am just clicking on continue. No worries, our data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so now it is showing connected. Now you can see a task list is given. So you might be wondering from where this task list is come. So here when we go on our Google Task, we can find this task list over here. My task, Pabbly task, vendors, MagnetBrain task. All these are the task lists which I have created already, and the same has been fetched over here. See, let me refresh this. It is getting refreshed. Okay. Yes, the same task list we can see over here. My task, Pabbly task, MagnetBrain task and vendors. So this time I am selecting my MagnetBrain's task list. And here also let me open the same task list, MagnetBrain's task list. Okay. So I have selected the same task list at both the accounts, and now I am going to click on save and send test request. Now here you can see the label response is received, but here we cannot find any value over here because in this task list we have not created any of the tasks. So let us create a task here. See the task name as employee details, and the details I'm going to give it as enter the details of the employees, enter the details of the employees, and let me give the date as 12th of August. Okay. So now here we can see we have entered the details. Now let us again click on save and send test request. Now here we can see the data has been captured. Okay. The title as employee details, the title this one which we have given over here, the same title, and enter the details of the employees as a description, as notes. See here, enter the details of employees, and the due date as 12th of August. The same date, yes, 12th of August. So here we have created an integration between Pabbly Connect and Google Task. Now let's click on save. Data saved successfully. Okay, so now in the action window, I want Google Sheets because I want the data to be sent from Google Task to Google Sheets. So let us select Google Sheets. Here in the action event, I am going to select it as add new row because I want a new row to be added every time. Let's click on connect. Here also again I have to click on add new connection and connect with Google Sheets. Now again it is asking for the to choose an account. So this time I am again choosing the same account. And here again we have to give the access. Let's click on continue. Authorization successful. Great. So now we can see it is showing us select spreadsheet. So what is this spreadsheet? Let us go to my Google Sheets first. Okay, it is getting opening. Okay, now here we can see vendor data, Magnet Brains demo. So I have made some spreadsheets over here in my Google Sheets. So when I go to Pabbly Connect, we can find the same spreadsheets, vendor, Magnet Brains, and many other spreadsheets are also fetched out. So I'm going to select Magnet Brains spreadsheet. And let me open the same spreadsheet over here also, Magnet Brains demo. Okay, so now it is asking for me to select the sheet. So basically when we go to our Google Sheet, here in the bottom we can see the sheet numbers are given. So I don't have any other sheets, so I'm just selecting sheet 1. You can select the sheets in which you want to capture the data. So I'm selecting sheet 1. Okay, now we can see title, notes and due date is given. So here we can see the title, notes and due date over here also that I have made in my Google Sheet, as well as in my Google Task. We have given a title, a description, that is a notes, and the date. Okay, so basically whatever the data we have captured in Pabbly Connect from our Google Task, we have to map the same details. The title, that is employee details, I am going to map the same details here also. In title, we are going to select it as employee details. Now here in the notes where enter the details of employees, so I am selecting this one, Google Task, and let us select the notes, enter the details of employees, this one, and the last one is due date. So the due date was 12th of August 2021. So I'm selecting the same due date. And this one is the due date. Let us select this. And now let us click on Save and Send Test Request. Okay, so here we can see that the data has been fetched and it has created an integration now. Let us click on Save and check whether the data is being forwarded to our Google Sheet or not. Let's save it. Data saved successfully. Now let us move to our Google Sheet and we need to refresh this page. Okay, so here I want to give you an important information. Actually, Google Task may take response time of 5 to 10 minutes. So we may not get the response immediately. So no need to worry for that. We can just wait for some time and we can refresh the page and the data will be captured. So now here we can see the data is being captured in my Google Sheet, the Google Task which we have created over here. So now we can understand that our integration is working fine. So let us create another task. This time I am giving the task name as subscriber details. Okay, and I'm giving the details as enter the details of the subscribers, and I'm giving the date as say 20 of August, and let's click on OK. Now again we have to go to our Google Sheet and we need to refresh it. And we need to refresh it. So here we can see the subscriber details. The data has already been fetched, the same data which we have filled in our Google Task. Okay, so now let us see in a nutshell what we have done till now. Let me just minimize this windows. Okay, so in the trigger window we have selected Google Task so that whenever a new task is added in our Google Task, it should transfer the data to Pabbly Connect. And here in the action window, the Pabbly Connect is going to send the same data to our Google Sheets by creating a new row. So in this way, we have created a successful integration between Google Task and Google Sheets automatically. Thank you, everyone.
So not just these applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect as well as the workflow is available in the description box. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe.